Welcome to this lesson on how to place the Simplera sensor. In this chapter, we will guide you through the process of placing and removing the Simplera sensor. 1. Supplies. To successfully place the sensor, gather the following supplies: a sensor applicator with a preloaded Simplera sensor, and alcohol wipes for proper hygiene. 2. Inserting the sensor. To insert your sensor, first choose your sensor site. The Simplera sensor is approved for placement on the back of the upper arm. Children from 2 to 17 years may place the sensor on the upper thirds of the buttocks. When inserting the sensor, it's crucial to follow a few steps carefully. Begin by washing your hands and disinfecting the insertion site with an alcohol wipe. Allow your skin to air dry completely before proceeding. Remove the cap and immediately insert the sensor on your body. Do not use the sensor if it has been contaminated. For example, if you have dropped the uncapped sensor on the floor, place the inserter on the back of your upper arm. You can reach this area by either lifting your arm or reaching around it. Make sure all edges of the inserter touch your skin. To insert the sensor, press the inserter against your skin in a fluent movement until you hear a click. Gently pull the inserter away from your body in a straight line. Keep the serial number, SN, and the code to use later to pair to the Simplera sensor with your compatible display device. The SN and code label are also on the inside of the Simplera sensor box lid. Smooth down the sensor adhesive with your finger to ensure the sensor stays on the body for the entire length of wear. You may use over-the-counter tape if needed to help the sensor stick better. The inserter is single-use and contains a needle which has been in contact with blood and other bodily fluids. Dispose of the sensor in accordance with local laws and regulations. 3. Removing the sensor. When it's time to remove the sensor, carefully peel off the patch like a bandage. 4 do's and don'ts. Before insertion, check the expiration date of the Simplera sensor and make note of the serial number, SN, and the code. Both numbers will be used later to pair the sensor with the Simplera app. Also keep the lot number, which you can find on the box the sensors came in. Inspect the tamper band and cap label for any signs of damage before insertion. Do not use the Simplera sensor if the tamper band or cap label is damaged or missing from the cap. In such cases, contact the Medtronic support line to report the issue and have the serial number and lot number ready to report the issue. Avoid replacing the cap on the device after removal, as this could damage the needle and hinder successful insertion. Some skincare products, such as sunscreens and insect repellents, can damage the Simplera sensor. Do not allow skincare products to touch the sensor. Wash hands after using skincare products before touching the sensor. If any skincare products touch the sensor, immediately wipe the sensor with a clean cloth. If you encounter difficulties during sensor insertion, ensure all edges of the inserter touch your skin. Push on top of the inserter either with the palm of your hand or your fingers to fire the inserter, and use a smooth, firm, and continuous motion when inserting. Should you notice any bleeding post-insertion, it's usually not a concern, and your sensor should still function. Applying ice to the skin before insertion may help to prevent bleeding. After sensor removal, a small red circle may appear on your skin where the sensor wire was located. This mark should fade within a few days. If your sensor fails before the expected 7-day duration because of a technical issue, you can contact Medtronic's customer service to request a new sensor. Make sure to always have the serial number and lot number at hand when you call the helpline. For users of the MiniMed 780G pump, Medtronic also offers a WeCare portal and app. Through registration, users gain access to Medtronic's 24/7 customer service and online services, including the ability to request replacements for defective sensors. By applying these additional tips and tricks, you will gain the confidence to have a successful journey with the Simplera sensors. Embrace these helpful tips to maximize the potential of your Simplera sensors and ensure a positive experience.